Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I bring you this 1995 Ford Thunderbird V8. It's got 152,000 miles on it. It's definitely not in the best shape in the world. But it's going to be a full in-depth tour of the Thunderbird. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over some of the performance details, show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. So without further ado, let's go and start it up, let it run. Gray cloth interior. Let's go ahead and get her running. See if we can get her on the first try. 152,398. Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on the headlights, as well as the hazards. And we'll check out the exterior. Dual exhaust outlets. Gonna pop the hood. It's got a 4.6 liter V8. Running pretty good. Someone killed the Ford Dinger. Don't have to worry about it buzzing every time the door is open. Power locks, windows, and mirrors. It is a power sliding, tilting driver's seat. Even though that's busted off, it still works. Manually recline. Does have a tilt steering wheel. And let's go ahead and see how she sounds. Sounds like the fan blade is buzzing up against something. All in all, not too shabby. All things considered, that is. It is missing the radio, so no stereo demo. There's your rear defrost. Climate control, which is also not working. Display works though. Fuel door release, trunk release. All right, I'm gonna shut it down. Let's check out the rest of the vehicle. Sure do miss the days of big American coupes such as this. This and the Lincoln Mark 8, Mercury Cougar, all good cars. It's a pretty decent sized trunk. This Thunderbird's sure been put through the ringer though. Center armrest in the back. Sloping dash. Very cool. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on this 1995 Ford Thunderbird. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take it easy everybody.